Alright guys, so the video that we're going to go over today is how to test your own core strength. There are 5 levels to the core strength test that I use when doing this. All you're going to need is a firm surface and a towel or pillowcase folded up just like that. That pillowcase is going to go right in the small of your back. Okay, now you'll notice when you're there, if your legs are straight out, you should be able to pull that pillowcase from side to side. Now we're not going to let that happen. We're going to tighten our core by drawing in and then making like a clear your breath kind of contraction with your abdomen here. You'll be able to feel your abdominals contract with that. Now you do that and push down with your low back into the mat or table or wherever you're lying, and you can't move that towel now, okay? Now that's the contact with the table that you want to maintain while doing this exercise. Level 1, okay, is just marching legs one at a time. Notice that you should still be able to breathe and you can't pull this towel out, right? You're still maintaining that contact. Once you get to where you can do 15 to 20 of these comfortably, you go to level 2. Level 2, instead of marching by bringing your legs up, you're still doing a march, but you're kicking your legs out one at a time. If it's hard to do this while pulling on the towel yourself, just get somebody else to help you test to see where your strength is at. Okay, if you can complete level 2 successfully, move on to level 3. The way you do level 3 is bring one leg up, then bring the other leg up, then down and down. So it's up, up, down, down. Okay? You can do 10 on one side and then 10 leading with the other leg. Okay? Once you are able to pass level 3, you're going to bring both legs up for level 4. You keep that contraction as you extend one leg out as close to the ground as you can. Bring the other one back, bring it back in and do the other one. Okay, once you get to 15 or 20 there, you should be pretty strong by that point. But if you want to take it a step further, we're going to go to level 5. Level 5 is both legs up. Maintain that contact as you slowly bring both legs out. See if you can hold that while keeping the towel from moving, and then come back. Okay? If you can get to 15 to 20 reps of that without someone being able to pull that towel and without losing that back contact, your core is pretty strong.